Kasi balita ko na meron kayong 50 plus shows, if I'm not mistaken. 50, saktong 50s. Tapos wala kayong alternate, walang swing, kailangan lahat kayo yun. So nung nalaman niyo yun, anong tumatakbo sa isip niyo, anong preparation na gagawin niyo? Kasi bago ko, talagang dapat kayo ang gumanap nun, di ba? Unlike sa mga ibang shows, may mga nakikita kami kapalitan. So ano-anong mga ginagawa niyo para...
Go, JC.
Una ko naisip, naku, bawal magkasakit. We have to be an athlete this time. So, kailangan namin ilaban lahat ng 50 shows na yun kasi never kami magkaka-alternate. So, yun na yung magiging preparation even for the rehearsals. Kailangan namin ng stamina, kailangan namin pangalagaan ng isa't isa. Ayun. Sa akin, yun ang preparation if ever.
Andiyan naman si Lee. Mag-arami yung parts ko. Senior na ako. Kaya ako naging senior, di ba?
Oh my God, vitamins, supplements, and we are studying each other's parts anyway, and a lot of prayers. So, ngayon pa lang we're really, wala nang mas lalakas pa sa lakas galing sa prayer. So, because we like to really be blended, and ako kasi as an actor, medyo selfish ako sa role ko. I really own my character in Bona, in Night Mother, in all the other plays, because I want to grow with it. But God willing, hindi kami magkasakit. And rest assured sa mga bibili ng ticket, ako po ang lalabas.
Wala siyang totally. God willing.
And also, sobrang rare na opportunity for us to be having those number of shows kasi ngayon mahirap na yung 24 shows, ang hirap na niya punuin. And with your help po, makakatulong pong mabayaran po kami. But we're really grateful to have this opportunity kasi bihira lang po yung ganito kahabang run.
Sunod ko na rin yung second question. Para sa anyone can answers and even the Oging Games, no? Lalo na dun sa matagal ng nasa theater scene, no? Kasi for sure maraming bagong mangyayari dito. Especially yung 1, 2, 3, unique na siya in its own way. Pero first time na may ganito sa theater. Curious ako, ano yung bago, sa tanan ng buhay ninyo na nag-theater kayo, ano yung bago na na-experience nyo dito? Maliban dun sa nakita namin, ano yung na-experience nyo dito na, dito ko lang to ginawa, dito ko lang to gagawin.
Gang. Roy.
Siguro po maghubad. Secret. Yun.
Siguro sa akin, ma-maintain yung energy. Bilang artista kasi kailangan talaga alagaan namin yung katawan namin. Kahit umiidad ka na, pero yung nabibigay na role sa'yo ay medyo mas bata. Alam mo yung energy. Pero youngster na pa rin yung energy.
Sige po, siguro bago comedy, kasi serious actor po ito. Lagi na pong may bago, yun nga yung masaya sa live theater eh. Kahit nga same show yung ginagawa nyo, pero bawat show, bawat labas nyo, may iba. So, yun yung masarap doon na ready kayo sa ibabato ng isa't isa. So, ito papunta pa lang kami sa rehearsals. Doon pa lang din namin madidiscover kung, may bagong offer, ganyan. Kasi yung rehearsal pa lang namin for this event, marami ng mga surprises at nagiging fan kami lalo ng isa't isa. Ay, bet ko yung ginawa niya, mga ganon. Yun po.
Salamat. Hi sa mga cast, especially kay Miss Eugenia Lo. Forever and proud. Decade bigat pa natin pala. Golden.
Yes, thank you po. Sa iba pong gusto magtanong, raise your hand lang po. Ay, yes po. Dito na lang po tayo.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Leia from ABS-CBN. Hi, Oge.
Hi, Miss Leia. Hello. Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Did you have second thoughts about doing septic tank again?
No.
When the role was offered to you?
No, they did not offer it to me. It took them a while to offer it to me. It took them a while. I don't know why. I don't know. Sila na lang.
Sige, direct Melvin.
Hindi naman, when we thought of, when it won, yung idea ng septic tank ay nanggaling sa marketing and PR namin, no? Just yun. Tapos, di syempre automatic yun. So pag nung sinabi, sige, sasama natin ang septic tank sa season, ang automatic doon, so syempre kailangan kausapin si Marlon at si Chris bilang mga IP owners. Ang susunod nun, kailangan sulatan na si Uge. At saka ahead dito, as in last, ano ba ngayon, May ngayon, di ba? Last year pa to ang pagsusulat, ang communication, no? So, para din mabigyan sila, kasi isusulat pa, di ba? Kasi original din, no? Kahit pa mayroong sinundan ng mga series, original ito dahil sa theater nga. Tapos, kailangan din nilang mag-prepare, no? So, lalo na si Uge, sa schedule niya. So yun. So, automatic. Parang hindi naman talaga, katulad nung sinabi ni Chris dun sa video, imposible na magagawin mo yung septic. Tapos, hindi si Uge yung gaganap,
Yes.
diba? Yung ganon. So
you work around your schedule?
yeah, in a way, yes, but because we message her, this is but it sucks. Hindi naman, parang when we wrote to her na, Caps gagawin, may planong gawin ng septic tank at sa ganitong panahon. O yun, ganun yung information. Tapos parang, so parang wala naman ding problema kasi nga mayroong lead time for her to accommodate it in her schedule.
Oo,
How did the other cast members come about? I mean, come to the picture.
Una, matagal ko nang alam yung Septic 4 nung kinuusap ko ng PETA, di ba? So kami
So
nag-resolve.
last year pa.
Oo, ang tagal na. Ang hirap na magtago kasi may pinirmahan kami bawal sabihin, di ba? Tapos siya talaga pinaka-inikutan namin. So parang, Caps, kausapin natin si Uge, kung nakausap na ba? So kanya-kanya kaming message sa kanya hiwalay para kausapin niya. Kasi hindi siya tatayo kung wala si Eugene Domingo. I mean, the franchise was built around her, right? So we really had to do it this way. And then, yung mga cast naman, kasi teatro nga naman ito, di ba? Sabi ko, ayoko mag-direct. Kasi mas Maribel, alam ni Maribel mag-direct ng teatro. Kaya ko ng pelikula, di ba? At gusto ko maging artista this time. Gusto ko, I've always wanted to get into the world of septic tank. I think ito yung pinaka-meta. May parang, didirect kita doon, pero naging, pumasok ako dito. Kaya naging parang as ourselves. Goldie Vera, Joshua, Melvin.
Yeah.
So naging we all have to play ourselves
How
because
did the
this is how it works.
cast members come about? JC.
JC.
Jamie. So after yun nga, locking in the IP of Septic Tank and securing Miss Eugene, nag-meeting yung artistic staff din kung para, sige, how will we best present, let's say, Philippine theater? So dapat may mga representation. So nag-profile muna kami, ano bang dapat sa paggawa ng play? Ano yung mga nandoon? So dapat meron kang veteranang actress, meron kang producer, meron kang director, meron kang male lead and all. Then after that, dun kami nag-list ng mga sinong pwedeng kausapin and i-invite. Then after that, yun yung sinabi ni Sir Chris Martinez kanina, he had to interview them para talagang tailor-fit yung roles sa kanila. And bukod doon, make sure na they represent yung roles na meron yung Philippine theater. So dun po nagsimason yun sila JC, sila Joshua Linso and all. So we had to look for a playwright and all, and yun nga, yung mga iba't iba pang mga kaibigan din ni Miss Eugene para maglaro yung dynamics na yun. So that's the process.
Thank you. So happy ka naman, Eugene. Okay? Happy ka?
Super. Actually, hinihintay ko talaga na arte ko si Melvin Lee. Si Andoy, alam mo yun, ang tagal.
So JC pa hindi first time?
Si JC, first time din.
First time din,
Oo,
yes.
so it's so exciting. Sobrang excited kami because it's not only going to be very creative, it's gonna be fun and wild, you know.
All right. Thank you. Thanks.
Miss Leia.
I think we have a question here.
Dalawa yan sila.
Hi, I'm Dulcinea, and I'm really excited to see this. I wanted to ask first, I have two questions. Saw the choreography, I love it. I wanted to ask for everyone, if you could answer, what are the restraints or like the difficulties you're experiencing like during the rehearsals na you overcome? Especially na some people are older than they are, younger, and it's a really mixed age group. And I saw na almost inalarma niyo si Miss Eugene kanina. So, I wanted to ask the difficulties and the influences on the choreography.
Sige po, sagutin ko muna po yung una. Wow, may fans club. Una muna po, salamat po ako sa PETA dahil hindi po ako ngayon isang aktor, kundi isa na po ako choreographer. But anyway, ako po si Raflesha Bravo. Yung una po, inas ko muna po syempre yung consent ng mga actors, kung ano po ba yung limitation sa kanila. Kailangan ko po yun malaman, baka mamaya may gusto po akong pagawa na super di po nila kaya, ayaw naman po nila gawin. So, consent first. And then, of course, research. Nung sinabi ng Ugeng-Geng, ako po ay malapit na nakatira sa streets. So, alam ko po kung paano sila nakikitang sumayaw. So, ito po Ugeng-Geng pa lang naman po yung natatouch namin. Ang gusto ko po sana, dapat parang competition style to. Parang, alam niyo yung barangayang competition, gano'n. Yun, tsaka meron din pong mga cultural appropriation. Kasi kailangan din natin silang i-respect. Dahil yung katulad po ng Budots ay kultura na po ng Pilipino yun. Ano pa? Wala naman pong difficulty kasi nagsa-start pa lang po kami. But ako po, personally, I'm very excited and also nervous. Dahil madami po kaming surprise. Hindi ko po alam kung hanggang saan yung pwede kong sabihin. Pero yung range ng dance from street to maybe Broadway, baka yun yung aabangan natin. So, well, yun po, yun po.
Sorry, I have one last question. So, last question would be actually, sorry, I got scared. Okay. I've seen familiar faces over the years. Which one, what are the things you're excited to work with, familiar faces or not, with each other? Like, of course, Miss Eugene and everyone else, like, what are you excited to work with each other? Like, what to know, especially with the rehearsal starting now. And how does it feel na you're working on this play, and na you know some of the people you've worked with in the past is being referenced to in this play? Thank you.
Go, Marlon.
Marami pa kami na-mention. Marami pa kami na-mention na parang kailangan kasi, sabi nga naman ni Chris, this is supposed to be fun, but it's supposed to be a love letter to Philippine theater. I know there's a lot of vitriol about, what are you doing, bakit kayo tamad, bakit kayo naging manhid. But it's really a love letter to everyone here. So Joel Saracho is mentioned as isang taong tumatanda, di ba? Kasi totoo din naman, di ba? Totoo din naman si Joel Saracho lang. So kailangan yung, I think it's a unique time. It's a very unique time. I don't think it can happen again. Septic 4 happening now. Because we still know about each other. We know of each other, di ba? Roddy Vera, wala din si Roddy Vera, di ba? Kasi nisiraan namin siya, di ba? Kasi wala siya, di ba? Hindi siya ano. So yung ganong klaseng tema, we want to refer to a lot of people. Of course, we're also channeling some kind of our favorite directors, di ba? I'm sure may mga umaantulhuan siya, may mga tumabeza, di ba? I think it's, in Septic Tank, in Spirits, it has been referential. Has always referred to what was happening at the moment. So, for me, the most exciting obviously is that, well, I know all these people. I've known Uge since 15 years ago, longer than that. I worked with Melvin Kasulid Katame. I know everyone. Ang bago na dito si Joshua, pero syempre, palangka person yan, di ba? Kasi hindi available si Roddy Vera, so si Joshua gusto na lang, di ba? Which is a blessing, by the way. So yun, for me, I went to theater like 1982, and I have been off theater for the longest since the 90s. This is my first time to come back to theater, so I'm just excited to be here, and I'm happy that the choreography, kailangan ka ng 50 shows, kasi kailangan kong 50 shows bago ma-memorize yung damn rough, di ba? So I'm just really excited to come back, and I'm really excited na tulip sa dimension, in-name drop ang aming lahat ng kaibigan sa teatro at mami-mention silang lahat.
Ako din kilala ko lahat, but this is the first time I'm working with everyone as co-actors. Tapos, ang excited po ako ay matuto sa kanila dahil nire-respeto ko talaga lahat ng mga nandito on stage. Lahat ng mga rehearsal moments namin, meron kami natututunan from each other. And I know everyone would agree with me. First day pa lang ng rehearsal namin, Dropbox na si Miss Uge. So, siya may pinakamahabang line, pero siya yung natatanging Dropbox namin lahat. So, things like that, parang na-inspire kami ng mga katrabaho namin.
Get dance, go!
Hello po, Naila Castell po. Part of the ensemble. Syempre po, I'm fairly new in this theater industry. So, I'm very grateful na itong mga taong to pinapanood ko lang noon sa TV, hindi naman po ako, nung bata pa. Nung bata pa po ako, at nakaka-inspire po na makita yung acting process nila kasi doon din po talaga ako natututo. Ayun po. Maraming salamat.
Then siguro din from, maganda rin kasi itong avenue na production na ito. Alam niyo naman sa PETA, magsi-60 na kami. At iba-iba na kami ng generation. Sila, mga bago, mga aplikante namin. So magandang nag-meet, ito yung magandang avenue na kung saan nag-meet yung mga young and the seasoned. Di ba? Seasoned, okay? So yun, parang kasi merong exchange na magaganap. At I guess, sa mga production sa katulad nito, yun dun mo ma-address yung generational gap na tinatawag. Dahil meron kayong isang production na tinatrabaho na kung saan pantay-pantay kami na kami ay mga aktor, walang kinalaman ng aming tenure at stay sa kumpanya or sa theater, but because we are doing something new, so pare-pareho namin ita-traverse yung process ng paggawa ng Septic Tank 4 ng Together. At hindi namin tinitingnan kung, bagets ka lang or something, ay kami ay oo, hindi, gano'n. So yun yung magandang maidudulot ng mga produksyon na katulad nito. Yan.
Yes.